In this video, I want to install Docker on Ubuntu 22.04 OS. So let me search in the internet as well. Docker on Ubuntu 22.04 because currently 22.24 version is running, but I want to install on 22.04. DigitalOcean is a website where they will provide clear details, instructions. So come here. I will share this link uh, in the description. Just copy this. I have connected to Linux machine using SSH. Um, you can see another video on how to install OpenSSH server and connect to an Ubuntu machine over SSH. Now just let me keep in two windows so that I can do copy paste from here. Just copy this. This first command will update uh, all the apt-get repositories and packages. So just copy this one. This will install all the prerequisites required for type yes, why, required for Docker, this certificates, HTTP certificates and all. Docker is not part of official Ubuntu apt-get repository. So if you try to install that, you won't find that particular Docker version available. Either you won't be having any Docker version or older version will be available. So that's why just clear this. Just copy this one. So this will add an entry for Docker repository to this apt-get archive. GPG key is for that official repository key, and this command will just add to that archive. Now then update again. It's not required. When you run this, it will show what are all the Docker packages available here. Now install this one. Sudo apt install Docker C. If you type -y at the end, it won't ask for prompt again. Clear the string so that it on. Now let's check the status of Docker service. It's running, active running. Now type Q, so it will exit from this prompt. Now this service, Docker service, as it is installed now, it started, but I want to make it auto starter on every reboot of this machine. So I'm writing enable here. So it will create a boot service. Next, present, if I try to run any Docker command, I will get error as permission not available. See permission deleted. So what I need to do is I need to add my current user VM admin to Docker user group. So then it will be having this dollar user is variable for current user whoever is running this command. And so it will be VM admin. You can see that one echo dollar user. VM admin, you say. Font is written when you type groups. These are all the groups available. I should add this. User mod, AG, Docker, VM admin. You can type like this also, instead of dollar user. It will just add that. Now to reflect these changes, I need to type this command new grp space docker. Or if you restart the machine, that also fine. Now type docker ps. You can see we are not getting that permission anywhere now. To test whether it's coming working or not, just type this. It will download the image and start a container just for testing to see whether Docker is working or not. Now type docker ps. Docker ps hyphen a will show stop containers also. Yeah, I can remove that docker rm and small portion of that container ID 346 will remove it. Now type docker ps hyphen a again. It won't show any records now. That's it. Thanks for watching.